children?
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay, very nice. Very good. I hope you all are doing great. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Myself, Trupti Suryavamshi teacher, and this session is organized by our BMC. Yes, children? Now we all close your, join your hands and close your eyes, children, all of you. And say Guru Brahma. We will say together. We will say one prayer together. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. Say children. Children, say together.
Okay.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. Gurur Sakshat Param
Brahma.
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Guruhe Namah.
Okay, very good children, very nice. Okay, so today's our subject is maths. Okay, we are going to learn a maths. And our topic is we are going to understand about patterns. Okay. Okay. Now, what is pattern? Children, what is pattern? Pattern means repeating a set of items. Pattern means repeating a set of items in a particular sequence. Okay, children? Have you understood? Pattern means a set of items repeating in a particular sequence. Means it's coming again and again. Okay? See the patterns. Here is the pattern spelling. All are repeated. Okay, children?
Okay.
P,
E,
A,
A,
T, T,
E, T,
R,
E, R,
N,
N, S, S.
Pattern.
Pattern. Pattern.
Yes. And patterns are number.
Patterns are number. Patterns are number.
Number pattern.
Number.
Number pattern. Say number pattern.
Number pattern.
Pattern.
Number pattern.
Shapes pattern.
Shape pattern. Shape pattern.
Alpha pattern. Say alpha pattern. Very good. Pictures pattern.
Picture. Picture pattern. Picture pattern.
Say, see some examples of patterns. First, we will see number pattern. You all are ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now see here. See, let this chart, everyone. First, we will see number chart, okay? Numbers.
Number.
Numbers pattern, okay? See,
Pattern.
number 1,
1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6.
These are
7.
students, yes. Huh? Numbers are going forward. Yes. So,
2, 6, 2, 7, 7.
The next number 7. So on 10. See the next example.
2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 9. 9.
No. Listen to now. See here. Here.
2, 4,
Here.
2, 4. 2, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Very good. Just
2, 4.
yes. Gap between these two numbers.
2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 10.
Children.
2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10.
3 आता है. I have skipped that number. I have missed that number. No. यहाँ पे मैंने किया है. I have skipped that number over here, and I have written 4. Have you understood this? Now,
4.
write this one.
2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10. 4. 4. 6. 4. 4, 1, 4. 4, 2,
आता है.
3, 4.
number आता है children.
5. 5. 8.
But not write 5. Not written your 5. You have to skip that number. Okay? Number क्या किया है? क्या है? Written here.
7.
No, I have number 7. I have written here.
8. 8. 9.
So skip one number, no? After 8.
9.
After 9. To skip 9 number, there will be 10. Okay?
10.
Here. Okay, very good. Now see, third example. Here is given 10, 8 number. Okay, these numbers are, this is the complete pattern over here. Okay, and these numbers are decreasing order. Okay, children, these numbers
Yes.
are in
10.
good. Children,
9. 11.
no, but I have here 9 numbers. Yes, I have skipped here 9.
9.
And here 8.
8. 7.
8,
7.
7. 7 here. And I have written here
5. 6. 5. 5. 4. 5. 5.
and then we'll write here 2.
4. 2. 5. 2.
Can you see the last example?
9.
11.
11. 30.
Yes, complete pattern. This is a order. Yes, 9.
14.
There is
9, 10. 9 and 10.
I will skip
10.
here. Yes, minus 2.
10.
Here is 11.
11.
12.
12. 13.
14.
14.
Okay. 30. 2. Skip 14. Okay. Then there will be 15. Skip one number here.
15.
Okay.
17.
30. No, here.
14.
Here.
14. 15. 15.
Yes.
15 and 16.
16 we have to. Here will be 7. Have you understood?
Yes.
Now we will see the alphabet.
नहीं समझ नहीं है.
Yeah. Here is alphabet.
Sound is not clear. Hello, madam. Hello.
Here is given pattern A. And what name?
Madam. Yes, sound is not clear. Teacher, I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me.
Now can we hear?
Okay, bacha. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. The alphabet pattern. Here is given AA, then BB, then next would be CC. Okay. Here would be CC. Next. P and here. Yes. But are you able to see this carefully? P.
Yes.
Letter
P.
okay, after P Q, no? But I have skipped that.
Q.
I have skipped that.
Q R S T.
R.
R.
Here.
S. T. S and T.
Yes. I
R S
have written. Again,
I am not hearing. Teacher. Teacher, I am not hearing.
okay, students. See here, I have skipped U. U मैंने क्या किया है यहाँ पे skip किया है. Then we have to write here B. Yes, children.
F. Yes. F.
Then we have to skip one letter over here. Which letter we have to skip? One letter. Which one?
W. X. W.
U. Next will be
X. X.
very good. Then again we have to go like this only. X.
Y. X. Y.
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 Y. And next will be
Z. Z.
Z. Very good. Now see the next one example. C, D.
E.
This is the complete.
D. E. F. D. E.
Will be
F. D. F.
Cat. Very good. Very good. Then next would be
G.
good.
H.
Very nice. Nice. Then see the next one. P1, P2, and then P. What will come next?
B4.
Very good. Four.
Not hearing. Hearing.
And
Teacher.
become
B5.
good. B5. See, I have written here B5. See, next one example again. Here is letter.
E. T.
Yes. Here is letter. And here is,
E.
this is option. Okay. Again,
Yes.
letter T.
T.
Then what will come next? What will come next, students?
Up. Up T.
Very good. Upside down T. This one T. Yes. Okay. Again, what will come next?
Up T.
Very good. T. Steps pattern. T. Can you able to see this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Steps pattern. Here is one circle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Circle. Rectangle. Triangle.
So, triangle. Here will come triangle. Then next, see.
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle. Star. Rectangle.
Star.
Star.
Star. Very good. Now, here is two small circle. Yes, and one big circle. Again, here is two circle and again one big circle over here. Then yes, again small circle.
Big, smallest, and
Yes.
big and small.
Okay, this is our complete pattern. Now, see the pictures. Now we will see pictures pattern. Which picture is this?
Sun.
Then
Star.
sun.
Sun.
Then
Star. Star.
very good.
Flower. Leaf. Flower.
Then
Leaf. Become.
leaf here. Okay, very good. The next.
Ice cream. Chocolate. And chocolate. Ice cream. Chocolate.
The next will. What is going?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Correct. You all are correct. Next is chocolate. Then
Tree. Apple. Apple.
the next will be
Apple become.
very good. Very nice, huh? Very good. This is the complete pattern of flowers. Now we will see some more examples. Okay. See, here is the, what is this? Children?
Leaf. Circle.
Circle. Small circle. And next,
Square.
square. Very good. Then this,
Triangle.
then next one is,
Rectangle.
okay. So this is the complete pattern. This is the complete pattern over here. Okay. So what will be the, children? What will be the next?
Circle.
Very good. Circle. Then
Square.
square. Very good. Square. Then
Triangle.
after triangle.
Rectangle.
Very good. Rectangle. This is pattern. This is shape pattern. Okay. Now, see this arrow? This is the up arrow.
Yeah. Up arrow.
And this is the,
Arrow. Down arrow.
okay, and
Arrow.
pattern.
Up arrow and down arrow. Arrow. Arrow.
Now next will be
Up arrow.
very good. Up arrow. Yes, you all are correct. The next will be
Arrow. Down arrow.
down arrow. Yes.
Up arrow. Up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow.
This is the complete pattern. Now we will say the next example of numbers. We will see one more example of numbers. This is the four number. And this one is 5. Then next will be, no, this is the complete pattern. Okay, this is the complete pattern. Then next will be again
4.
again 4. Yes, very good. Then
5.
after 4,
5.
5 will come. Yes. Again, what will come next?
4.
We have to follow again and again this sequence only, no? 4.
Yes.
Very good.
And
Then next will be
And
5. Yes,
Five.
very good. This is the complete pattern. Okay. Now we will see colors. Colors pattern. Okay.
Okay.
With using ice cream sticks. See, this is yellow color ice cream stick. Yellow color ice cream stick. Yes. And this is green color ice cream stick. And this one is pink color ice cream stick. This is the pattern. Okay. Then next will be, which will come next?
Yellow.
Children, which will come next?
Yellow.
Color ice cream stick.
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Very good. Yellow.
Green.
Then
Green.
next,
Green.
green color. Yes, you all are correct. Then next, again, pink. Very good. Have you understood this?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will see size pattern, huh? Children, by using rectangle. See, this is small
Triangle.
rectangle. Triangle. This is small triangle. And this one is
Big triangle.
big triangle. So this is the pattern. Okay. And the next will be
Small pattern.
very good. Small triangle. Then next will be
Big pattern.
bigger triangle. Like this sequence, we have to follow. Next, again we have to put here small triangle.
Small triangle. Small triangle.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now, I will share PPT with you. Okay. What is pattern? A definite sequence of figures, shapes, letters, or numbers is called a pattern. Okay.
Color भी करती है.
Children, see, in our day-to-day life, we will see different types of things. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. It can be anything. Yes. Patterns. See the look at these patterns we observe in things around us, like bed sheets, our dad shirts, then different colorful ornaments, then our mom saris border, then house tiles, then curtains. These also have patterns. Look at these shapes carefully and feel the color that is repeated or comes in next row. See, first one example is
Red.
yes,
Black.
red color square. Then next one, black color square. Then again,
Red.
red color square. Then next will be black color square. Then what will come the next after black?
Red. Blue.
Red. Very good. Red. Okay. Now see second example. Here is the blue color circle. Then next
Pink color circle.
yes. Then
Rectangle.
very good. Yellow color rectangle. Then again
Blue color circle.
Then next
Pink color circle.
color circle. Yes.
And yellow color.
Rectangle. Yes. The next will be which color?
Blue color circle.
Very good. Blue color circle.
Yellow color.
Yes, very nice. Yes. We have to color these circles and rectangle. Then last, see this last example.
Purple color triangle. Purple color triangle. Orange color star. Orange color star. Purple color triangle. Purple color triangle. Orange star and orange star.
Yes, very good children. Here is given purple color triangles. Then orange color stars. Again purple color triangle. Then next orange color star. Yes, correct. See like this. Okay. Now look at this. Circle the option that will complete the pattern. Here is given ice creams. See the ice cream. First ice cream is
Standing ice cream. And
yeah.
second ice cream is down ice cream. And,
Yes, correct.
and third ice cream is standing ice cream.
Yes. And the next one is upside down ice cream.
Up and down ice cream.
Yeah. Yes. We have to select correct ice cream from this box. Okay. Upside down ice cream we have to draw. Yes. Then see second candy. Yes, this is the candy.
Upside candy. Upside
Standing
candy.
candy. Okay, yes. And this is the second one is facing right side candy. Yes. Again upside candy. Then next will be
Upside candy. Sleeping
Then next-
candy. Upside candy.
yes. Then next, which one is correct from these two? Facing right side candy is the correct. We have to draw that. Okay. Then see next. Leaf, flower,
And
leaf
leaf.
is the
Flower.
one.
Leaf.
What will come after leaf?
Flower.
Very
Flower.
good. Flower. Flower will come after the leaf. Okay.
Okay.
See, like this, you have to do. See, here is some crayons. In
Standing
first row.
crayons, sleeping crayons.
Yes, standing crayon. Then sleeping
Sleeping
crayon.
crayons.
Again standing crayon. Again sleeping crayon. Then next will be standing crayon. This is the yes. Again sleeping crayon. Then again standing crayon. This is our complete pattern. Okay. Now see the next example of leaf.
Leaf.
Yes. Here is the up leaf.
Up
And next one is
and down leaf. Up leaf
Again
and
up
down
leaf.
leaf.
Again down leaf. Then next will
Up
be
leaf,
up
down
leaf.
leaf. And
Down leaf. Again up leaf. Okay, very good. This is the complete pattern. Then third, uncolored square.
White square, black square. White square, black square. Then again, white square, black square. White square.
Yes, then again black square. This is the complete pattern. Okay. Now next. What is the next?
Circle. White triangle, white circle. White triangle,
Circle.
white circle. Then again, white
Yes.
triangle and white circle.
Yes,
White triangle.
uncolored, white triangle and circle. Very good. Then here is number pattern. See, 4 1 4 1 4 1. This is given pattern. No?
4 1.
Yes.
4 1 4. 1
Yes.
4 1.
So we will complete this pattern by writing 4 1 4 1. Okay. Then next. There is
2
given
3 4.
2 3
4. 2 3 4.
Yes. Very good. 2 3 4. 2 3 4. And next will be again 2 3 4.
4. 2 3
Yes. This
4.
is the complete pattern. Okay. Children, see these strips. 3 strips are given over here. And the first one, see the number over. Or see the number upside. There is given one number with
Yeah. Yes.
Blue
Yes.
color.
1 number given.
Yeah. Second number with pink color. And the third number with parrot green color. Okay. And now we have to fill the color in the first one strip in that box. Okay. Which is first?
1.
Yeah, 1. That which color we have to fill there? In 1 number box?
Blue.
Blue. Yeah, correct, students. See, like this, we have to fill. Okay, we have completed. Okay, very good. Now, 2 number
2
box
is
is
pink.
remaining.
Dude,
Yeah,
2 is
we have
pink
to fill
color.
here pink color.
Pink color.
Yes, we have to fill here pink color again. This is the complete strip. This is the complete pattern of colors or numbers. Yes? Then, see the second strip. We have to color second number box with which color? Which color?
Pink
Very
color.
good. Pink color. Like this. Okay? Pink color. And the third
green
number
color.
box with green color. Very good. This is our complete pattern with of this is complete pattern of colors or numbers. See the next last strip. There
1
is
is
3,
blue
1,
color.
yes, 31 number.
And
Okay.
3 is green color.
Yes. We have to first fill 1 color box, 1 number box with blue color. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have to fill 3 number box with
green color.
very good green color. See, we have completed. Okay. Now see, look at this. Rohan is making a pattern on his activity book using green or pink buttons. You also do this activity in your activity book. Okay, children?
Yes.
Okay. See, which button should he place next? Green or pink? Here is given
Pink.
green color button, next pink color button, then green color button, then again pink color button. And next would be
Green color button.
very good. Green color button. Very good. You also do this activity in your activity book. Okay. Now see, observe the following patterns and draw what comes next. Okay.
Okay.
You all repeat after me with these colors. Okay, children? This
Okay.
is green color leaf.
This is green color leaf.
And second, brown
And
color leaf.
And second, brown color leaf. And
Then,
leaf. Then,
red color leaf.
red color leaf.
This is the pattern. Okay, this is complete pattern. Again, we have to, yes, again we have to put here green color leaf.
Green color leaf.
Brown color leaf.
And then brown color leaf.
And then next would be
smiley yellow circle.
no. See the arrow? You have to complete that pattern, no?
Yes.
After brown color, which will come? Which leaf will come? Red. Yes, red color leaf. That is your complete pattern. Okay. Okay. See the next. There is
smiling face, then sad face, again sad face, then smiling face. Then next would be
Oh, sad face.
very good, a sad face. Then see next, watermelon,
Watermelon.
mango,
Mango.
watermelon,
Watermelon.
then mango,
Mango.
then after mango,
Watermelon.
watermelon will come. Very good. Now see students, identify the number patterns in each question and tell what should come next. See first one example, there is given numbers. These numbers are going forward. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
and next would be 8. This is
8.
complete pattern. Very good. The next example, there is given 10, 8,
10,
and 6.
8, 6, 4, 2.
Yes. This is given 10, 8, and 6. See, can you see 10 and 8? There is gap between these two numbers. 10 और 6 में gap है. Okay? Before 10, which number come?
Before 10,
Before 10.
11. Before 10, 9.
Before 10, which number will come, student?
Before 10 we will come 9.
Very good. 9. So I have skipped 9 here. No, I have skipped 9 number here. And I have written 8. Have you understood?
Yes.
Very good. Then again, I have skipped before number of 8. Which I have skipped here?
7.
Very good. 7. Then after I have written 6. Then before number of 6.
5.
I skipped here 5. Very good. Then I have written here 4.
3.
Yes, I have skipped here 3 again. Then I have
2.
written here 2. This
2.
is our pattern. Then see third one example.
Okay.
There is given 10,
10,
20.
20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20,
Okay.
50.
See, here is given 10, 20 and 30. Okay. See 10 and 20. In these two numbers, there is gap between these two numbers. 10 numbers का gap है इस numbers में. Okay. No, here is no gap. We have to write next number. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Yes, very good. See, identify the number patterns in each question and tell what should come next. Again, here is given some numbers. 1, 3 and 5. These numbers are going forward. These numbers are increasing. Okay. So between these two numbers, 1 and 3, there is gap of one number. Yes, children?
Yes. Yes.
I have skipped here 2 number. Yes.
2.
I have written
And
3. Yes. Again, I have skipped 4. Then I have
4.
written 5. Again, I have skipped 6.
6.
Then I have written
7.
7. Again, I have skipped
8.
8. Number next will be
9.
Next example. Here is given 4, 8
4,
and 12.
8, 12.
Very good.
16 and 20.
Yes. See, given here 4, 8 and 12. We have to count forward. Okay. 4 के बाद आपको 8 नंबर तक काउंट करना है.
Okay.
5, 6.
5, 6, 7.
Yes. I have skipped 3 numbers. Yes.
Yes.
And I have written here 8. I have skipped 4 numbers. Students, I have skipped 4 numbers here. And then I have written 8. Again, we have to skip 4 numbers. Then I have written here 12. After 12, again we have to count forward 4 numbers. 13, 14, 15, and next will be 16. Then we have to count 4 numbers forward again. Then we will get 20. Like this, we have to do next example also. Okay, children?
Yes.
Okay, look at this. This is the alphabet pattern. Okay. Identify the pattern in each question and tell what should come next. First example is 2F, 3G, 4J. Yes?
5,
Yes.
1, 6.
Then next will be 5L. And then next 6N. See, there is gap between this F and H letter. I have skipped here G. Yes, like this we have to do. Then next example is C, D, E. And the next will be, here is given rectangle. Then, can you see this?
Yes.
What will come after rectangle?
Star.
Star. Very good. Then see next one. There is 2 circle. Children,
Yes.
there is 2 circle. Then
Yes.
triangle. Then
Yeah.
what will come next?
Triangle.
Very good. Then see third one. There is given rectangle, square. Then next will be, what will come next? Rectangle. Okay.
Yes.
See children, there is given some homework to you. Complete the given pattern. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Complete the exercise given in the following slides in your notebook. Okay, children?
Yeah. Okay.